Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is the video tutorial on your iPhone 15 won't turn on. This solution works for all iPhone 15 series models. Without wasting your time, let's start. First, ensure that your iPhone is charged enough to turn on. If you are not sure, then plug your iPhone into the direct wall plug and original Apple charging cable. In my case, you can see my iPhone is dead and unresponsive completely. So when I connect to a power source, you will see a battery icon on a black screen at the center of the screen. That means your iPhone is dead due to no battery. Keep your iPhone at least 15 to 30 minutes. Then try to turn it on by holding down the side button only or the Force Reboot option explained in the next solution. Still, you are not turning. Most of the users experience the charging all night, and then in the morning, they find it turned off or looks like it's off. Don't worry. This happens because something is stuck due to a software glitch. We can fix this by Force Restart option. First, press and quickly release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button only until the Apple logo appears on the screen. That's the easy method to fix the software issue and won't turn on. Still, the solution is not helpful to you because of hardware issues. Then I recommend contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store near you. You can schedule repairs and save your time. Also, check the pinned comment and video description for the direct phone number and other support options like email, chat, nearby Apple Store, and more. Share your problem with us in the below comment box. We will help you. Also, don't miss to like, share, and subscribe to get the latest tips, tricks, and solutions.